beautiful Fort Bonifacio. Dati Talahiban lang yan dito eh. Swimming pool. Ito may Ascot pala dito. Ano na call center yan eh. Doon taas din ito oh. Dalawa yan. Sa kabila.
Mas malaki yung doon.
Ang bilis nga, Mac mo year 2011 lang ako nang galing dito. Hindi pa tayo ito lahat.
Ano to eh, kasama ng Antuan Bonifacio yung Ascot na yan.
Grabe.
Sa ila, parang ano lang yan, parang hiwa-hiwalay lang siya, pero iisang...
Isang ano siya? Sa baba niya? So ito na siya ngayon. This is the, sa rooftop ng Horizon Shangri-La. It's a beautiful BGC. A beautiful BGC. You see outside, down. Wow. It's really beautiful place. Ganda talaga ng lugar na to. So, imagine mo dati, killing fields ito, tapunan ng mga patay. Ayan, ngayon maganda na siya. Parang little Singapore. Parang siya Singapore, para ka na sa US, para kang napakaganda na dito guys. Ito naman tas ito. Ayan, the Bench Tower. Ayan, the beautiful side. May mall dyan. The mall. This is BGC and Fort Bonifacio guys. Ang dating salvage zone, Talahiban, and Little Singapore na siya ngayon, no? So this is the Horizon. Horizon, where is my work here. And this is part of Shangri-La. La Shangri-La. So napakaganda talaga guys. Napakaganda ng place. Ayan. Pataas ang mga building. Ayan, Bonifacio Zone. Ayan, marami na rin dito Doon dati papunta na sa embassy ko yan. So I'm familiar of this place, but ngayon talagang ang bilis ng pagganda niya. Bigla talaga siya nagiging See? That place in there. Pag nahulog ang cellphone ko, bye-bye ha. Wag naman sana. At the place nila. You want to sunbathing? Okay, sit down there. It's swimming pool for adult. Masha want to do sunbathing. Si Masha magsa-sunbathing. Sunbathing si Masha. Ganda ng swimming pool, no? So this is how rich people live in
I
this.
think the rain and the clouds it's getting freezing and snowflake!
Yeah, you want to swim with the rain?
I cannot swim. Or snow.
Snow.
The penguins with
With the penguins? Where are we gonna find penguins in here? The swimming pool for the kids, this one. So it's really good. Tsaka siya, nakabook ka dapat para hindi sabay-sabay kasi pandemic. Yeah! Ito ang pinakamagandang swimming pool nila. So ang ganda din So this is all about for the first day vlog for today. It's a beautiful BGC. Bye guys, love you.